By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to do a basic DJ scratch, like this. This type of scratching involves moving the jog wheel forward and backwards using two keys on your keyboard. For example, I use the letter V to move the jog wheel forward and the letter X to move it backwards. Combining these two actions results in a basic scratch. The first thing you need to do is map any two keys on your keyboard, one for forward scratch and one for backward scratch. To do this, open Settings on Virtual DJ and go to the Mapping tab. Click on this input bar, under Key, and press your desired key for scratching forward. I'll be using the letter V, but remember, you can use any key you prefer. Just make sure it's not already assigned an action. After selecting a letter to scratch forward, I'll now write the script for scratching forward, which is scratch plus 120 milliseconds. The 120 milliseconds represents how far to scratch into a song. You can change this number according to your preference. For scratching backwards, I'll use the letter X. On the action side, I'll write the same script for forward scratching but change the plus sign to minus 120 milliseconds. Let's try it out. In the next tutorial, we look at performing a DNA scratch, like this. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss this video. Also give us a like if this tutorial was helpful, and you can now donate to us using a super thanks. Any amount to support us will be greatly appreciated. Until next time, keep practicing.